Hello everyone, welcome back to what's probably the final episode of Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. Last time we did the swamp and now we're in a different swamp. There's a castle. That's interesting. Oh.
There he goes! I need to get a sample from him to prove a theory I have.
Dogpile on the robot! Dogpile on the robot!
No! Oh god. Poor guy.
This seems kind of like a violation of his basic civil rights.
He's a robot, Sticks. He's got as many rights as my toaster.
Analyzing now. And ding! I thought the little robot had some connection to Ragnium, and it turns out I was right. He's clearly had contact with the Ragnium, which Eggman was using to power his Eggbot racers.
So the question is, where did he go?
Well, I sure didn't let him go because he was adorable and having his rights violated, and I love him so much! Okay, if we can get a tracker on him, we can follow him to the source of the Ragnium.
Alright. Ragnium. The spooky hedge maze. Yo. Well, I'll be the judge of that, okay? First of all. Alright. The final world. The something gardens. I think we're in the garden of that castle on the map. Probably makes sense, right? Why are all of the the world's themes so samey? Yeah, it is, you know. Oh, it's a rail. Yo. Oh, what? Bruh. Hey. He was having his rights violated. Wow. No! God. No! What do you mean? Please just change to ice. Jesus. Oh, hey. What's up here? Ha! I missed one, didn't I? I missed the first one. I think so. Oh, and I missed that one. Oh well. Not that it matters, since I also missed the first one. Okay. Let's not make this last too long. Oh, okay. Yo, hammer. For some reason. Yo. Oh. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. Okay. Yo, 2 out of 3 sports. Yo. Holy shit. The gun. Hold on. No. Shit, how did it change? There. Boom! Yo, that was the first time since like 4 worlds ago that I needed tails. Oh, how did I shoot through that? Okay, whatever. Guess we'll play as tails now. Yo. Die. Yo. Oh, that's the end. Oh, there was a final spool. Wait. Well, if you already have... Well. Look at that. All 3 spools and another. Holy shit. Oh, that's the challenge room. I don't really care about that. No. Sonic. No! Wow. Excuse me? No! Are you kidding me? Do I still have my sports? Yes, okay. Sonic best character. Also, I need to do this here, it seems, so. And Tails cannot do that, so. Hey! Close. Hey! No, no, he's walking away. Okay. Gargoyle's Perch.
Get to that robot and get this tracker on.
Okay, alright. Bring trading cards to Knuckles. He's in Tails' workshop. Okay. Why is he there? Does Knuckles not have a house? Oh, no. Oh my god. Hey. Fire. Duh. The main thing that I'm starting that I noticed 3 worlds ago, but one thing that this game really lacks are interesting gimmicks for each world, or just in individual levels. In something like Sonic Rush, for example, I guess, or any good platformer for that matter, but still, you know, the levels are differentiated not only by visuals but also by gimmicks. That makes those, or Sonic 2, Sonic 3, you know. This game, same with all Sonic Boom games, pretty much. They all had that problem. Ow. That only differentiate by visuals. Oh my god. Which means they all feel the same here in the. Are you kidding me? Oh god. Okay. There we go. You know, there's. I don't think any. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna die here. The hardest part of the game so far. Stop that. Oh my god! Can't make it. I can't make it past that. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Jesus Christ. There's no individual gimmicks for world or levels. For the very, very most part. What? Bruh. No, it's all just the same shit. Which, you know, for a few levels is fine, but at this point it's starting to get really very repetitive. It's all the same. It's just build, you know, challenge platformer puzzles with sometimes different palettes. Which once I'm done with this game, is gonna make me not remember a single one of these levels as individual things. I'm gonna think back and like, oh yeah, Fire and Ice gimmick, and that was the one thing throughout the whole game, pretty much. In Sonic 3, you know, like, oh, Lava Reef, and had like enemies and all that you know are only in that level, and and all that. But in this game, no. No, come on, please, no. Wow. No. Wow. That's the biggest problem with this game by far. Like, not bad levels per se, but just the only thing that differentiates these are the... How am I supposed to do that? Jesus Christ. You kidding me? With tails, I guess, but I refuse. Okay, I guess that worked, but still, that was crazy. No, what? No, what are you doing? Jesus. Yay! Alright. That was, I think, the second level. So, not much to go. Holy shit. That was Gargoyle's Perch. Now we're going to... That's where we can... No. Ah!
Sonic. Then you'll know what humiliation feels like.
Damn. The Thunder Chamber. Whoa. Oh shit. Okay. I think the final bot racing game. Holy shit. Okay. Oh no, I missed one. I missed another one. No. It's right behind me, isn't he? Mm-hmm. Oh. No. Ah. Okay. Okay. Still right behind me. Don't like that. I'm missing 5 rings. One was here somewhere, I think. Maybe. Almost there. And one was here, okay. And I think like right at the end. So should be fine. Also these races boil down to more like quick time events. Whoever presses the right like you know the homing attack first, like quicker. It's not like I need to do much platforming myself, and there's no different routes, so it's just whoever does the quick time events on the bumpers first. Oh, that's way too close. And all that stuff, so not exactly very intricately interesting races, and it's way too close. I don't like that. Hey, easy peasy. Hell yes. Alright. Very good.
That was some good exercise. Can't wait until the next race.
Yo. Rolling Ramparts. I think that was the last race, so. Alright. Oh. Cutscene. Oh. Ah. That's a scary statue. Got pecs and titties. Holy shit.
Here, he likes you. Just put this on him and
He
we'll be
like
able to
you.
track him.
He like you.
Wait, then you'll be able to track me. No, you'll be with us. Or will I? Hey, Adorobot 2000.
just came here to say hi. Nothing sneaky or weird about saying hi, right? I'm definitely not up to something. Oh, look! It's like a friendship bracelet that's totally not like a tracking device.
Oh. Love how the model just plopped on there. Yay.
It worked! Now all we have to do is follow it to the Ragnium source.
Alright. Very good. Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. Wow. Holy shit. No, no. No. Wow. Okay. Easy. Not even close. I love the parallax. Oh. Scrolling of the background elements. That is crazy. What? Oh, okay. I think I'm going the wrong direction. Why did that take so long to... Like, it didn't even disappear. What the hell? Hey! Wow, that was so deserved. What? The hammer. Oh, I got it. Awesome. The sword and the stone. Oh. Hello? Boomerang. Let me change. Wow. Oh. No, okay. Nope. No, okay. Oh! Okay. Bro. What do you mean? What's up here? I think that's for it. Dix, I hate you. I hope you know that. What? What do you mean? Why does that work now? Hey, another hammer, yo. Bro, are you kidding me? That was optional. Bro. Wow. Wow. Fuck you. Sword in the stone. Checkpoint, you. What? Can I please change? Thank you. Much easier. Thank you. Oh. Okay, never mind. Fantastic. I feel like Sonic always looks in the wrong direction when I spawn. Okay. Jesus. Okay. No. No. Oh, okay. Everything's fine. Duh. Duh. Hey. Oh. What? Bruh. No. Bro. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. Wow. Incredible level. Hey. Wow. Oh. Yo. Yo. Hey. Okay, time for the final adventure level. Wow. Nope, tube. We don't want the tube. Terra Tower.
Ragnium source?
The final level. Wow. The final normal level of the game. Are you ready for it to be some kind of super mega celebration of this game and its gimmicks and the ultimate test and surely. I mean, wow, I had to change between yo. Oh my god, the cinemacity. Crazy. Yo. No! Oh, I did so well until now. No. Why? Jesus. Oh. Oh my god. Thank you. Whoa. No. No. Go. Run. No. Oh. What? Oh. Jesus. Okay. No. Yo. Hell. Yeah. Wow. And I didn't get the time. Damn. L. And I did so fucking well. Wow. Oh well. That was the final level. That was crazy. Okay. We could go to let's go to Tales Plane real quick. But first, real quick, before we go to the final boss. Spoiler. We're gonna go to Seaside Island and go to all the locations real quick. No. No. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just give her what I have. Deliver. Hey, and awesome. You're welcome. Sticks. Okay. Shit, what was everything? Here, Amy's house. Yo, the bronze hammer. Oh, you can get new hammers. Wow, Amy has the bronze one now. Crazy. Where's Tails? I forgot. That's Sonic's house. Let's first go to Tails. There's Knuckles. Why is Knuckles and Tails? Oh. Oh. Boop. Bop. 50. Crazy. Rival Racetrack, Dusty Roadway has been unlocked. R. I don't have any other cards. Oh well, you can puzzle there. Wow. With 6 puzzle pieces. Okay, and that's the music player. But what's really... No. What's really interesting, that is... I have 564. Okay, let's... We all want to be Sonic. Oh god. Over the course of Sonic Boom's first season, Knuckles, Dave, and village buffoon Mike the Ox have all found excuses to dress up like the Blue Blur. And while we appreciate their commitment to the mantra of Gotta Go Fast, we wish these three had taken it a little more slowly when it came to the costume design phase. Ah. Knuckles Ground Pound. Here's some sweet concept art for Knuckles' signature combat move, the Ground Pound. It has the ability to create rippling shockwaves of destruction which send his enemies flying. It is the reason why Knuckles is so feared on the battlefield, and also why he is no longer permitted inside the library. Tails framed photos. Here's a closer view of some of the photos that can be seen inside Tails' house. Why does Tails surround his home with images of Sonic getting the best of him? It's simple, he likes to portray his friend in the best possible light. Also, Sonic instantly deletes every picture where he doesn't look cool enough. I love how there's a close-up of the pictures and only one of them is really in focus. Oh wait, the other one is the same one again, but the lower one is not. Okay. Dave the supervillain. Dave the intern is the fry cook at the village's half-star fast food joint Mare Burger. Here we get a peek inside Dave's mind as we see his fantasy of being a respected supervillain. His evil helmet and its lame cardboard counterpart originally only had ice powers, but to be felt by make his abilities as limited as Mare Burger's condiment bar. This is all Sonic Boom flavor text. Comedy Chimp's headshots. When local late-night jokester Comedy Chimp decided it was time for some new headshots, he had these beauties developed. While they didn't make him look as youthful as he had hoped, they did land him several acting gigs as the before guy in various infomercials. Wow. Comic books? Whoa. While in our universe we get to enjoy Sonic the Hedgehog comic books, our characters aren't so lucky. They're stuck with titles featuring Comedy Chimp and Knuckles from the one time he wore a bucket on his head. I guess that what we're saying is, be thankful for what you got, kids. Yeah, go read Archie comic, kids. Eggman the Athlete. Did you know that Eggman is an award-winning pole vaulter? Well, you shouldn't, because it's entirely untrue. Even still, that didn't stop the dog from trying to take the gold while wearing this get-up in role models. Tell you what, Eggman, if we just agree to give you a trophy now, would you be willing to put on some more clothes? You wanna cover that up? Wow. Look at that. That's what peak masculinity looks like. Fire in the hole. For season 1's chilly dog day afternoon, Knuckles eats some peppers that might have been just a tad too hot. Well, either that or he's been keeping one heck of a secret from us when it comes to special abilities breakdown. Gamer Bros. When deciding how still photos should look like in the Sonic Boom universe, When deciding how still photos should look in the Sonic Boom universe, we created this test render that we ended up not using. Okay? We created this. It depicts Sonic and Tails in a wicked video game battle. And even though this photo was taken at Tails' house, take a wild guess who got stuck with the Player 2 controller. Why is Sonic such a dick? It's a wild ride. When Orbot packed up his bags to the foam, he took only the essentials: a toothbrush, a baguette, and this photo of him, Eggman, and Cubot riding a roller coaster. As you can see, while building his own amusement park is Dr. Eggman's dream, riding the coasters is set in said park would be his nightmare. Wow. Metal Sonic's glow. Here's an early FX test on Metal Sonic's purple glow. Thought it looked awesome, but then again, just about everything looks awesome when it's floating around Metal Sonic. That's true. That is true. Ready Player Orbot. Here's the launch screen for a video game which Orbot and Cubot entered when battling Nominatus, a fierce computer virus. The object of this game, according to Tails, according to Tails, is to run, roll, and collect wings as fast as you can. What's a crazy concept? Where do they get their ideas? Exclusive? I don't have enough to buy those. Sad. Okay. Those were... Is it just me, or were those very weirdly written and... Oh. Oh no. Ragnarok. Warriors Wasteland. Oh, there's one more race. Oh. I didn't know that. I thought it was final boss time, but okay. I guess for this essential core part of the game experience, we needed one more. No! What? Excuse me? What? What? Okay. Okay. That looks like bullshit, but okay. I am sure I got this. What do you mean? How? How the fuck do I get up there? Can I play anyone else? Best Tails or something? No. I can only dash upwards once. I don't get it. I don't get it. Help. What do you mean? Moves. Oh, what? What do you mean? It's not possible. What the fuck? There's not a bumper there. No. No, what? What? Okay, I got it. I got it. When I run into the wall there, I get blunt. I don't know if it's in the intended way, but I think I got it. No. There we go. Easy peasy. Go. Mm-hmm. Oh. What? Okay. Sure. Just 2 more times. The final race. Very integral part of this game. And let's be honest. Okay. Okay. Easy. Oh my god, don't choke there now. Jesus Christ. I know how to do it, I haven't done it perfectly once yet. Okay. Let's go. Okay. 200 rings. Very nice. Oh. No, it's right behind me. No! He's ahead of me! What do you mean? No! No. Unacceptable. There we go. Now we just have to do the rest perfectly and it should be fine. Okay. Go. 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 Easy peasy, not even close. I wasn't even worried. Hell yeah. Jesus Christ. That was nerve-wracking. Holy shit. Okay. Almost there. We almost made it, guys. Whoa.
That was a nice little workout.
Mm-hmm. Ah. Nope. We're not doing that. What's this? Nope. Who cares? Let's be honest. Nope. What's this? Sure. Why not? I guess. We've seen the tunnel and we've seen the submarine, and those were really mid levels. Not that these are, not that this is good level, but you know, I guess it's the most fun one of the three. Oh. Ow. Maybe you can't, or at least shouldn't boost for that. It's a final world. It's, you know, difficult. It's the point, kind of. I love how 2 of the mini games involve Tails directly, and none of them involve Knuckles or Amy or Sticks. Kind of funny. Okay, it's going already much better. Hey. Yes. Easy peasy. Oh. Easy! Go. Hey. Alright. Exit. And I think now it's time. I think it's time. It is time, I think. For the Oh, the mine. Double trouble.
Okay, the tracker says we're almost on top of the robot. This place is definitely the Ragnium source. The stuff is everywhere. Eggman must be mining for Ragnium here.
And all the byproducts of Eggman's mining operation get piped through the fissures to the other islands. Ugh, nasty.
Why does this place look like it's going to explode?
Since we're closing the fissures, the pressure is building up here at the source. Eventually, I bet it will explode.
Look!
You again. What are you doing back here after I sent you to the islands to monitor the fissures? A task at which you failed miserably, I might add. And you're a mess. Have you been letting somebody besides me kick you around? Defect is too good a name for you.
He can't talk to a Doro by 2000 that way.
Sonic and his troop of buffoons! No doubt you led them here, you worthless junk pile! Destroy them before they ruin my entire operation! Oh, Defect! You're amazing! I didn't know you could do that! Whoa! Now you have to stop doing that! Stop it, I say! You're destroying my beautiful Ragnium mine! But no! Stop it, you miserable bot! As much as it pains me to ask for help, what's happening now pains me worse. I mean, it really hurts! Somebody help me!
Chill out, Eggface. We got this. Sticks, come help me discipline your little BFF.
Adorable or not, he needs to learn to play nice.
Oh, right. Loading screen first. Okay. Double trouble. Sonic and Sticks against Defect. Oh. Ah. Oh, I get it. They're fire and ice themed. Oh, it's a dragon. Okay. Alright, final boss. Ow! Kaboom. Kaboom. Ah! What? Oh, I need to use that on it. Ice. Okay. I know it's restarting the phase. Okay. Yay. Boom. Yay. Boom. Oh. Okay. Need to freeze his tail. I guess that also makes sense. Oh, go down. What? Oh, now I need to use fire. Hi. What? I thought that was... I thought the boomerang was... What? How do I... But then how do I... Okay. Sure. I thought the boomerang was also element themed. With whatever Sticks has at the time. Because I don't know what else to like. Eh? Does Sticks have any other attack? That like could work? I can't be. I thought this was. It is ice themed. And now fire themed. So that should work, but like why it don't? What? I can't just homing an attack on it. Bruh. Well, that's different than what I expected to have to do, but okay. I just homing attack on it with the right elements. Awesome. Wow. New. What? Hey! Yippee. That's truly the final boss of all time. Scroosh. Kaboosh. No. Oh, hey. Ugh. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Hey. Sonic? Sonic. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ah. Wow. What? Okay. Oh. Yep. What? What do you mean I took damage from that? Bruh. Bruh. Okay, they're gonna heat up a little thing. Okay. Okay. Sure. I won't lie, my performance in this boss fight isn't the greatest, but like, meh. It's not like I'm super finally hyped. This game didn't exactly set up a great like, oh my god, final boss, holy shit. You know. Okay. And it's not exactly the greatest final boss either. Wow. I have to jump once. Oh. No. Hey. One more hit. Ow. Yeah. Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. The budget of this game was $2 or something. Probably. Oh, come on, just make it end. Please. Oh my god. Hey! He died. All right, that was Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice.
And that's how you do it.
Defect completely ruined the mine, so it's impossible to mine rhenium here again. Anybody? Will help. Lots of help.
same.
Well, I suppose I should show some sort of appreciation. Here.
Adorobot 2000!
I'm so sorry about the way I treated you. All you wanted was to give me love, and I returned that with contempt.
Oh.
If I'd only known, I wouldn't have let the most powerful mech I've ever built get beaten by Sonic. Oh well.
There. Now he's as harmless as a puppy.
Well, I would say those words. You know, those words I can't seem to say.
Thank you!
That's them. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go review my insurance policy and see if it covers active bot.
Even with insurance, the deductible's gonna kill him. That's how they get you.
Oh. Why is the music all fucked up here? Oh god. Whatever. It fits, I guess. Oh. That was Sonic Boom, Fire and Ice. The last Sonic game in my marathon. Except for one, but that was the... There's one more game, but that one's something entirely different. The last proper Sonic game in this marathon. That took 8 months or something. And it ended on an insurance policy joke. Oh, Sonic Boom. Why did I decide to keep these for the end? I would have preferred to end on a high note, but... well... Sonic Boom Fire and Ice was okay, I guess. Very plain and basic. Baby's first 2D platformer. Kind of mediocre whatever mini games and shit. The platforming itself is like fine, but I already said like there's no level or at least world specific gimmicks. There were like 5 worlds with 4 levels each, so 20 levels. All 20 levels also had the exact, all had the same elements. There were no, I don't think there were any elements that were only in specific levels or worlds or anything. No hazards or enemies. Maybe enemies, but none that really stuck out as like, oh, holy shit. So, you know, it all seemed like the assets of the environments changed, but that's not really what matters to make them memorable or anything. This is like a 5 out of 10 or something. It's like the gameplay itself, it flows nicely. You can jump from thing to thing and you go quite fast and you home attack a couple of times and stuff, but and you go there quite quickly, and that's pretty cool. Oh, that you know, it's, oh, cool. It's one of the cooler. Oh, it just plays quite well. That's my point. But it's fine. I wouldn't recommend it, and I'm not gonna remember this game for more than tonight. That's the issue with it. Yeah, not much more to say. The writing has some funny moments, I guess. Maybe it's fine, I suppose, but quite ugly. But okay, it's a low budget free, I think rather low budget 3DS game, Sonic Boom series. So like whatever. The gameplay is fine, I guess, but it really needed more variety. That's the main problem. Oh well. Thank you for watching. That was the last proper high-level Sonic game in the Sonic the Hedgehog Marathon. Yeah. Sonic Boom Fire and Ice. I can't believe I actually played it, but okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time. Bye bye.